Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to this particular video. This is a price analysis of the ALPH/USDT token on Gate.io exchange. Currently, this is a 1 hour time frame. We can see that the price is sitting at a 0.0345 dollar per token. Okay, so we can see, when we look at these candlesticks, we can see how the market has been hovering around the range of 0.03679 and 0.3142. Within this particular range, okay, the market has been hovering around this range, and each candle represents 1 hour, so 24 candles make a day. So let's make analysis of the market direction and also this particular 4 candles within the last trend. We can see that there's a shooting star here at this particular point here, where we have a bearish engulfing pattern and also a shooting star that was preceded by another bearish candle, and sharply there was a market recovery here. And currently we have the price at 0.03450. Okay, so let's head to the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, it's a much more high probabilistic trade. Each candle represents 4 hours in this time frame. Okay, so in a day we're going to have 6 candles represent a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can see that the price has still been hovering around this range, just like the analysis we made in the 1 hour time frame. This was a very bullish candle here that spiked a lot of price recovery. Okay, I would just like to interject here that our PAL 5 mainnet is on the way, and we're going to have a staking capability there. We'll be able to stake your ALPH tokens to get X ALPH tokens. And the X ALPH token is actually a token you stake, and you earn in a monthly basis of 30 days. You can cancel your staking exercise at any point in time you want within the month. So it's going to be a very exhilarating exercise, because the less token we have in the market, the more the price is going to appreciate of the token, because we'll find out that demand is more than supply and there's scarcity. Okay, so this is a very good time to buy this token from my own perspective. So back to this technical analysis video, you can see here that the price hovered around this range, and currently we have the price at 0.0345. Okay, so when we move forward now, we're going to see that we have, let's head to the daily chart, because I don't want this video to be too long. So in the daily chart, each candle represents a day. We can see that there's a price slump here from 0.06, that's 6 cents. Okay, that was the last all-time high at this particular zone. The price dropped to this particular zone here, 0.05, and there was a support that was broken at that particular point. Let me see if I can draw the support line so that we can understand what I'm saying. From this support, we can see that the price is sitting around 0.053. Okay, so the support was broken and the price fell. This downward trend continued. If you look at the moving averages, you can see that the 5 moving average has crossed the 10 moving average, showing that there's going to be a price decline. So currently we have another momentum building up at this particular zone here, symbolizing a further action on the price. Anything can happen at this particular point. We can have a further price appreciation or a price depreciation, but anticipate an appreciation, because this is a new all-time low we're getting at. We've never arrived at this point before. Okay, so let me see if I can draw. Okay, so this is what I was trying to explain here. So you can see there's a momentum building up at this particular point, a price momentum, a lambish trend. So once we break this resistance that has been formed here, the resistance is being formed at a particular point. Let me see if I can get the price of this resistance. Okay. Okay, so the price is currently, the resistance is currently around 0.0342. So once the price can break this resistance, we're going to have a new all-time high. Not all-time high, but we're going to rally around to around um, our expectant point is 0.052233. Okay, so the price is running back to that place. Okay, so let's say if I can make use of Fibonacci retracement to see or we'll get a broader perspective of what to expect from the price. We should make 0.2489 our high point. Let's say 0.37170. So let me bring out our fib. Okay, so at using Fibonacci retracement, we can see that at the 50% level, the price is going to rally back to 22 cents, 0.22904, and at 61.8, we're expecting the price to rally back to around 0.26374, which is very enormous. And then at 78%, we're expecting the price to rally to around 0.3, which is 30 cents. And at 100%, we're expecting the price to rally back to 0.37608. Okay, so there's going to be a massive price recovery coming up very soon. So let's head to the monthly charts and we'll call it a day. In the monthly chart, each candle represents 1 month. So we're not going to have a lot of candles. Okay. So let's just pull out our Fibonacci retracement and expect to see where the price is going to retrace to very soon. I'm anticipating that once we launch our Power 5 mainnet, there's going to be a massive price recovery. If even if, it is even possible that the price can even break our all-time high price. I'm so sorry about okay. So if we look at this Fibonacci retracement at 50%, we're expecting the price to reverse back to $1.98273. At 61.8%, we're expecting the price to reverse to 2.44. At 78%, we're expecting the price to reverse to $3.11. And 100%, we're expecting the price to reverse back to $3.84. Okay. So if you're a long-term trader, you can buy at this particular low point and expect a massive recovery. Okay. So if we look at it, 78% recovery is $3.11, which is a lot of money. So with this current news I shared behind Power 5 mainnet, it's expected that we're going to expect this price recovery to happen. Okay. Um, so that's all about this video for this particular point in time. It's a technical analysis video and it's sponsored by Gate.io. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And also, if you have any concerns or contribution, you can give in the group. People are willing to hear what you have to say. And if we look at this trend, this is a downward trend, okay, showing how the price declined from $3.845 to where it is today. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself and bye.